Oh yeah, yeah, well, come on, here it comes done. Done a clown that looks like he got a frown. You look like you just came from the dump and went upside down. I don't even wanna touch you 'cause you're scary, you even look like Bloody Mary, and even if I tried talking to you, you'll just run away looking like this dude. Ah well, so what? If I'm a clown I can still give kids the smile that they always wanted for a while. With my nose, with my hair, I bet you couldn't even pull off a clown, you dear, and all the way from down there. I mean, look at you like an ugly version of that rapper, or maybe you even look like a sales tropper in what you just got served, punk scared. No, that was like the whack-ass joke, yo, it looked like yeah, mom slighted you the wrong way, and as a matter of fact you might be gay, and don't be talking about my style 'cause I still can get the girls that rule my world with diamonds and pearls. I'm like the best legendary MC rapper, and you might be messing with Run DMC, if you know who he is, not mean. Well, look at your chains and your braids, they all look the same, hahaha, and ops, sorry I farted. Look, you ugly clown, since you can't rap it's okay, but here's a tissue, and don't be a faired anyway. Leave me alone, you big ugly dork. I hope your mom fed you with a fork, and you scare me, and I want my mommy. Wham, and oh well, goodbye ugly clown, and see ya later. And make sure you don't eat anyone, okay? Well, holla back.